And just so you're aware, I am recording again. This is about me, not about you. So don't panic, don't sweat it, it's not a big deal. So, all right, so could I have Jefferson, Avery, and Kevin come up with me, please? So, and while they're doing that, so today we're talking about is commutativity and associativity, which are properties of arithmetic, and we'll apply them to, we'll talk about how they apply to the arithmetic operators of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So, all right, so Avery, I'd like you to come over here. Stand by the table, please. Right, thank you. And you two can stay right there. All right, so right now I would like you to think about, as this demonstration is taking place, about what commutativity might mean. And I think I'm saying this right, I'm not an English person. Commutes are also root words of commutativity. So think about what that might mean. So now we're going to demonstrate commutativity. Avery, I'd like you to come over here. All right. All right, so notice we have 3 people all together. All right, okay, now I would like Kevin and Avery to come back to the table. Oh, sorry, Kevin and Jefferson, sorry about that. So my brain was going faster than my mouth, or vice versa. Okay, so come over here. All right. So now Kevin and Jefferson are over by the table, and Avery's over by me. So now I would like Avery to walk over to Kevin and Jefferson. Mosey, mosey, mosey. All right. So now that we've done that, you can return to your seats. Thank you for your help. Now I would like you to talk in your groups for about 30 seconds about what you think commutativity might mean in terms of math.
You guys know, does anyone know what the word commute means?
I kind of
All right. All right. So think about, like, if I go to work every day, I go to work every day, and especially if it's a long ways away, I commute.
A daily commute.
I commute. I walk. And however I do that, I walk. I go by car. If I live in a big city, it might be by train. Those kinds of things. So knowing that, knowing what commute means, go ahead and talk in your groups about what that might mean in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So just think it over for a bit, for about 30 seconds. And think about it in terms of the individual terms in an expression or equation.
Math to go to the answer.
Just use that word.
Yeah, I don't think these demonstration is really helpful. Yeah.
Yep, that was a big one.
So I'm not the one.
No, what?
We'll just go with that.
All right, that helps. Actually, that helps to know that.
I cut my hair too.
All right, so let's get back together. So this table back here, what do you think commutativity or commute means in terms of math? No idea? Not sure? Who has some idea of what that might be? Kevin?
It's kind of, I think it's about like taking steps like jump offs.
Yeah, exactly. It's right in the, you're right in the neighborhood there. Good. All right, this table.
we sort of said like grouping things and putting things together.
Right, very good. That's right on track there. So,
We're in the suburbs.
so what that means is, let's say we have 3 minus 7 plus 2. And the thing is you can do it in reverse. So you can have 2 plus, sorry, let's try that again. Use the magic fingers. 2 minus 7 plus 3. So what is my answer here for the top one? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
And
what?
let's see. Yeah, okay. So, all right, so what's the answer for the bottom one? Pardon me? Almost? What did we, so look at the subtract, did I do the?
No, it's right. You're right.
All right, you're almost there, Kevin. All right, somebody else have an answer? In the back there.
-2.
Good. So they're the same, they commute. 3 goes to minus 7, goes to positive 2, equals negative 2. We change the order, they commute, they walk, they go, whatever. So however you want to do that. 2 walks to minus 7 and then goes to positive 3, gives you positive 2.
Property.
Yes, exactly. Good. So that's what commutativity means. And so that's one property we're going to be working on today.
Commutative property of multiplication and division.
Right, good. So we'll be talking about that more here in a little bit. All right. Kenneth, is he in this class? Oh, sorry. Would you come forward, please? And Ayana? And if you would stand over by that table, please. And Virginia? All right. So now we're going to talk about associativity. And so to associate, if you would come to me, Ken, we are associating. We might be hanging out, we might be at work together. We are doing things together as a group, and I won't be too weird, but
Associative property.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So we are associates. So we are a small group. Make sense? All right. So if you would come over here. All right. I have this written down because I was a little, wasn't make sure. Anyway, it's Monday morning and it's early. So, all right. So, Ayana, if you would go join, I'm sorry, I've totally lost track of your name. Ayana, sorry. Virginia, it's an early morning. Okay, I'm so not with it. So, Virginia, if you would go join Ayana. All right, so here's kind of the scenario. Kenneth is friends with you two, but let's say he got sick and he can't go hang out with you. So you're the group today, all right? So, and there's a total of 3 of you, right? All right, so Ayana, if you would come over here, please. All right, now you're the poor soul, you broke your leg today. So sad. All right, Kenneth, if you'll go join Virginia. All right, so now Kenneth and Virginia are the group. They are associating with each other, but there's still 3 people, right? So nothing has changed but the grouping, right? So having thought about that, go ahead and return your seats, please. Thank you for your help. Having thought about that, discuss in your groups what associativity or associate or associates means for about 30 seconds.
It's a small group of people. I know a community.
Something like
regrouping.
like selective.
That does. So like, so
We'll get there.
there was switching groups every time.
Same number.
Commutativity is about the order, and associativity is about grouping terms. So you're almost there. Good.
That's what I do.
Different groups.
All right, so let's come back together. All right, who can tell me about associativity? Jefferson.
Alright, so we thought that it was like switching up like groups of something.